absolute value in mathematics. Now we have two questions disturbing students in absolute value. Number one is this. Absolute value of a negative number is positive number, while that of positive number is positive number. When you take absolute value of negative number, it will change to positive number. But when you take the absolute value of a positive number, it will not change to the negative, it will still remain what? Positive number. We want to provide answer to these two questions. So now, before we start, let's define absolute value. What is absolute value? Absolute value is the distance a number is from 0 on the number line. So when you get the word absolute value, your mind should go to where? Distance. So you can see my number line here. Because from the definition I mentioned number line, I say absolute value is the distance a number is from 0 on the number line. This will serve as my number line. My number line ranges from -5 to what? 5. Now let's check some example for better understanding on these two particular questions. So number one example we are going to check is absolute value of minus what? 3. Now, what is absolute value of -3? Don't forget, when you hear the word absolute value, your mind should go to what? Distance. So when you hear the word absolute value of -3, you are asked to find the distance of -3 from 0. Before I continue with this particular question, let me make something clear to you. When you hear the word distance is the total length traveled. Distance can never be negative. Distance is always positive because we are talking about the length traveled. So when you are asked to find the absolute value of -3, you are asked to find the distance, and the distance means what? Total length traveled. So you are asked to find the distance of -3 from where? From 0, because absolute value is the distance of a number from where? 0 on the number line. So let's count it. This is my 0, this is my -3. 1, 2, 3. So the distance traveled here is what? Is 3. Number 2, we are asked to find absolute value of 4. That is the distance of 4 from where? From 0. This is my 4, this is my 0. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what? 4. Let's check another one quickly. Absolute value of 0. The absolute value of 0, that means the distance of 0 from 0. You have not taken it. So the absolute value of 0 is still what? 0. So absolute value of 0 is 0. So anytime you take the absolute value of a negative number, you always have a positive number, because absolute value is all about what? Distance of a number from where? From 0. And if you take the absolute value of positive, it will still be positive, because you are talking about distance of a number from where? From 0. And absolute of 0 is 0 because you have not made any move from 0. It's still the 0 you are having here. Thanks for watching. For more educative video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Excelbridge Institute.